Hello and thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Sapphire C. In this video I'm going to show you how to do round 6 of your fingerless glove. We've just finished round 5 and we are going to start with a half double crochet increase. That is simply 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. So my first one here, and I'm going to go ahead and move my stitch marker. So mark that. And then the second half double crochet is going to be in that same stitch. So there is your half double crochet increase. It's also just called 2 half double crochets in one stitch. And then you will work the rest 23 half double crochets, whoops, all the way around like you have been doing. So it's as simple as that. And that is round 6. Then you will have a total of 25 stitches at the end of that round. So it's always a good idea to go ahead and count at the end of each round just to make sure you're on track, and you can catch a mistake easier if you count each round, because if the stitch count is off, you most likely skipped something or did something that needs to be fixed. It's easier to fix if you find it immediately rather than way down the line. So it might be annoying, but I do try to count my rows or rounds at the end. So yeah, I will do that, and I hope this has helped. Please comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.